Excuse me, are you hiring?
Any kitchen experience?
Not exactly.
You start tonight.
Hey, this is Nichole with Earn with Nichole. Here, I test AI tools, break down creative workflows, and show you practical ways to turn what you create into income. Today, I tested Seedance 2.5 4 completely different ways: a spa commercial, a cinematic fight, an animated restaurant ad for a true UGC-style product video. Let's see what worked and what didn't. Before I show you the results, the most important part of this process happens before you press generate. Start with a clear idea and build a production plan. Know your story, characters, environment, wardrobe, products, props, dialogue, and major actions. Then create the reference sheets the model needs. SeaDance can only follow the visual information and direction you give it. The more complicated your video becomes, the more important this preparation is. Planning everything first gives you stronger continuity, better results, and a better chance of avoiding wasted credits. The biggest reason Seedance 2.5 got my attention is its ability to create videos up to 30 seconds long in one generation. That gives you enough time for a hook, development, payoff, and even a call to action without automatically stitching together several short clips. It can follow timed, multi-shot prompts and use multiple visual references for your characters, environments, wardrobe, products, and props. It can also generate dialogue, sound effects, and background ambience along with the video. I created my examples using Seedance 2.5 inside Higgsfield, but the model is also available through OpenArt. On my Higgsfield account, 15-second generations are currently included in my unlimited mode, while 30-second generations use my credits. That is why I organize everything before I press generate. Your account or plan may work differently, so always check your own duration and credit settings first. My first test was a fictional commercial for StillHouse Spa. Maya walks into the spa carrying the stress of her workday, literally. Clinch is a small animated stress monster riding on her back, covered in phone calls, cords, papers, and work clutter. The original 30-second generation understood the entrance, the comedy, and the dialogue. But once Maya entered the massage room, it changed her from her spa robe back into her work clothes. It also skipped the transformation I requested. I wanted viewers to see Clinch gradually shrink as Maya relaxed, but he disappeared during the treatment and returned at the end already small. I reprompted the problem sections, specifically locked Maya into her robe and clearly directed Clinch's visible transformation. I generated focused 15-second corrections, stitched the strongest sections together, and this is the finished commercial.
Call him back, check your email. You're late!
Rough week?
It's Tuesday.
Reset ritual. Come on.
This better not work. Oh, come on.
Clinch. You stay here.
That version worked much better. The lesson is that your environment must physically support the action in your prompt. SeaDance should not have to invent an important piece of equipment. That becomes even harder while SeaDance is also managing characters, wardrobe, dialogue, movement, and transformation. But this type of video can also become an income opportunity. If you know someone with a spa, salon, gym, or wellness business, create a short sample commercial around one service. Show them what you can produce, then offer monthly videos featuring their treatments, promotions, or customer experiences. Now let's see what happened when I pushed SeaDance into a much more complicated cinematic action scene. For the last charge, I wanted a blackout garage, a threatening alien, fast combat, and teal and pink electricity running through my eyes, neck, arms, and hands. The original 30-second video understood the overall story, but it changed my facial features during the action. The electricity disappeared instead of remaining active throughout the fight, and some of the movements felt stiff and unnatural. For the correction, I used a close-up facial reference and placed a strict identity lock directly inside the prompt. I also specified that the electricity must remain visible through the entire fight and describe the movement beat by beat, how the alien approached, how it attacked, how I reacted, and where each impact happened. I also instructed SeaDance to preserve my face, body anatomy, clothing, and proportions during every fast movement. Then I regenerated the action in a focused 15-second section. The more specific I became about the identity, effects, timing, and physical movement, the more closely SeaDance followed what I actually wanted. Here is the corrected result.
After replacing the weaker action sections and stitching the corrected clips into the original, this is the complete version of the last charge.
I was just trying to go home. This type of cinematic work can become income through book trailers, music visuals, film pre-visualization, game concepts, and visual pitches. Create one strong proof of concept scene, then offer the client a longer trailer or a complete visual package. If you like what you're hearing and want more honest AI tests, creative tutorials, and real income ideas, like this video and subscribe. It helps the channel and lets me keep testing these tools for you.
One of my favorite tests came next. Hearth and Crust Pizza. Ember is a small dragon applying for a job, but his accidental fire sneeze becomes the kitchen experience he didn't know he had. SeaDance followed the entrance, resume exchange, dialogue, comedy, transformation, and final commercial payoff in one 30-second generation. This one worked on the first try.
Excuse me, are you hiring? Any kitchen experience?
Not exactly.
You start tonight.
So, you don't need this?
Hearth and Crust, every new hire brings a little fire.
This is where one successful commercial can become recurring income. Offer this service to restaurants, food trucks, and food brands. Create one mascot commercial, then turn that character into a recurring comedy series featuring menu items, specials, and seasonal promotions.
For my final test, I wanted to show how this workflow can support an affiliate opportunity you already have. I currently promote True Sea Moss, so I created a UGC-style advertisement for their mango and pineapple sea moss gel, something I can place into my marketing right now. I used Julian Thorne as the creator, gave him a consistent character and action sheet, created one kitchen environment, and supplied the authentic product packaging. I also described his deep, smooth voice and placed every action in a clear order. With one character, one product, one environment, and one simple morning routine, SeaDance completed the entire advertisement in one generation. And now, here's the final True Sea Moss UGC advertisement. One generation, one try, and no corrections needed.
Here's what I add to my morning smoothie. True Sea Moss Mango and Pineapple Gel. It has minerals, vitamins, prebiotic fiber, and antioxidants that support energy, immune health, and digestion. Since using it, I've personally noticed better digestion, less bloating, steadier energy, and it actually tastes good. Sometimes I take a spoonful straight from the jar for a pick-me-up. It's simple and easy to stay consistent with. Tap the link to try it.
This workflow can become income through affiliate marketing, e-commerce UGC, product demonstrations, and complete ad packages. Build one approved set of character, product, and environment references, then create multiple hooks and calls to act without rebuilding the campaign every time. If you want my Seedance 2.5 prompting framework and the skill I used for these examples, comment SeaDance pack below. I'll give you the planning checklist, identity lock, reference setup, prompt structure, and correction guide, all in one organized download. Next, watch how I connect Claude and OpenArt to build a complete visual workflow, from an idea to consistent images and then into video. I'm Nichole with Earn with Nichole. Learn AI, build income, and stay ahead. I'll see you in the next video.